how to apply monetization to Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you apply for monetization to your Facebook page. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your Facebook page. After that, from here, at the top left, simply tap on your profile picture. Now from here, simply tap on your professional dashboard. And from the professional dashboard section, simply at the top, tap on monetization. Now from here, it will notify a get your symbol for you are eligible or not. I am getting here for not at eligible. Like for this, at least you have 10,000 followers and limited minutes of viewed content in last 60 days. After that, if you are eligible, simply you can get the option for apply for monetization. Simply tap and click on that. After that, Facebook will automatically check if your page is eligible. If it is green, you can proceed. If not, it will tell what is missing it. After that, once you are approved, simply from here, you can get the monetization and ad breaks for your video. After that, you can earn money from the star, subscription, content monetization and storefront. And that's it. This is the way to apply monetization to Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.